Hi, this is Joangela Babette, founder of Two Prince Bakery Theater. Today I will be showing you how to make frosting from scratch. First, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and cream it. To cream it is basically we're going to be mixing it up. You want it at room temperature, that's why it's nice and soft like this. You're going to be putting it into your electric mixer, or you could use like a handheld mixer would work fine too. And you want to get it nice and smooth. Turn it up a little bit. Okay, next we're going to need 3 cups of confectioner's sugar sifted. So what sifting means is you're going to take a sifter like this and you're going to pour in the sugar to get any kind of lumps out of the sugar, because you don't want little bumps in the sugar to get into your frosting. So let's do the first one. So now we're going to start our mixer again, and we're going to gradually add the sugar that has been sifted, and we're going to interchange that with the milk and the vanilla. We're going to start with the sugar. I'm going to use a smaller cup to pour it in so we don't make a big mess. Start incorporating that with our creamed butter. Now we still have to do 1 more tablespoon of milk. Put that in there while that's mixing up. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Make sure you use a very good quality vanilla, especially when you're doing a plain frosting like this, because you're really going to taste it if you don't. So get the best vanilla you can find. Madagascar is usually what I prefer to get. I'm going to grab a cup. It's just a little trick. If you have a wide mouth cup like this, it's a little bit taller. It's really handy for you to put your piping bag. For this particular frosting, I'm going to use a disposable piping bag. It's available at any craft store or baking store. And the good thing about these is you have no mess to clean up afterwards. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the tip of the bag to fit your icing tip. Not too big because the tip will fall out. And I'm going to use this star tip. Just drop it right into your bag. And then the way this helps you is you put the bag in and you fold it over. So it gives you a nice little pocket to put in your frosting. Okay, now we're ready. I'm going to get the frosting. I'm going to put it in with a spatula spoon like this. Being careful not to overfill your bag, because if not, it's going to ooze out of the top. You don't want to make it too full. But try to get it all in so you don't have to redo the bag if you don't have to. So you can frost all your nice cupcakes or cakes, either one. Okay, almost finished. There we go. We got all of our frosting into the bag. Now we are ready. We're going to get all the air out. And what I like to do is I twist the top of the bag in my hand like this. They sell things you could do to attach, like little clips and little things you could tie on there. I don't really need it, but if you want to use that, you could use that too. And now we're going to frost our cupcake. You might want to test out a little bit, and it looks like it's working fine. I like to start from the middle like this and just squeeze from the top. As thick as you want it. And here we have it. Frosting from scratch.